I know, it would seem like at our age we would know how to do mascara. I was just at our makeup training last weekend and learned a couple tricks. So I thought I'd share them with you. Hi, I'm Katie Sevenants. I have had so much fun and I continue to learn. You know that I knew nothing about makeup when I started, but I've learned a lot of things over the years, and every year our company does this annual makeup workshop. On this year it was online, so I got to see up close how people did their makeup and how they talk about different products and how to apply them to get the best results. So, mascara. First of all, let me just say how much I love this new mascara by Sevenants. It is called Volume Intense Mascara. Now, the first step is, if you're putting on mascara and you feel like, oh, it gets so clumpy, I can't seem to separate my lashes, first tip is the knocker locker. Keep your mascara in your bra so that it's getting nice and warm while you're getting ready. I'll tell you what, it like goes on so smooth because it warms it up. So that's the first tip. The second tip, especially if you have older eyes or hooded eyes, use a curler. I know these look scary, but if you can learn to use your curler, it really helps cover up any hooded eyeness, or it really like helps your lashes look longer at the edge so it doesn't, you don't see as much of the hood part. Does that make sense? Plus, if you want to learn how to do your eyeshadow to hide the hood, stay tuned because that'll be another tip coming soon. So, what I have on today is the lash primer, which is kind of like a nude color. You apply that first, 1 or 2 coats, depending on what you like. And then I have the waterproof mascara. I definitely think if you have more mature eyes, this is key because you don't get any smudging under your eyes. You don't get the flake off. So what I love is I just put on 1 coat of the primer and a couple coats of the mascara. Here's another tip for you. When you're applying your mascara, let's say you're a right-handed person, which I am. When I apply this eye, it's no problem, right? I can get right in there, get in the corners, and apply it to my whole lash. What you want to do is not then go this way and do this eye, right? This side, this side. You want to go this side, so that as you're applying the mascara, it's actually bringing your lashes up and out to the outside, rather than if you just went this way, you're just coating them, but then they're going this way instead of this way. Does that make sense? And then lastly is, as you're getting your brush out of the tube, you don't want to pump it, right? That pushes air back into the mascara wand. You don't want that. You actually want to scrape the edges so you get a good coating and then pull it out nice and slowly. And then that's when you're going to apply your mascara. That way, especially if you turn your arms, right, you can get right on these inside little baby hairs. So those are a couple tips. And then most importantly, no matter how much product is left in your tube, they really should be replaced 3 to 4 months, because bacteria is growing. You have bacteria on your eyes every day. I know we don't like to hear that, but you do. So you want to wash your mascara off every night. Our Foops remover is so gentle and so easy. I've got tricks for you if you need to know. But the mascara tubes, 3 to 4 months is the most you want to keep it. Whether it's a full tube, you've only used it twice because you're staying home a lot, you still need to get a new one because that bacteria can grow. If you're noticing any eye issues, it might be time to get a better remover or replace your tube. So this mascara comes in the waterproof, which is the blue tube. It also comes in the gold tube, which is humidity proof, not waterproof. What I love about this new mascara, not only does it thicken and lengthen, look at my lashes, can you see? But it grows your lashes. There is an ingredient in here called Capixyl that actually stimulates the hair follicle. It feeds the good, you get some really good vitamins into the hair follicle, which helps make your hair follicle healthy, and those eyelashes grow longer 46% longer in just 4 weeks. So those are my tips for Tip Tuesday. I hope you have an awesome day.